Do you have a preference?
I don't care.
I know. I was just saying if you have a preference.
Hands up, everybody.
Yep.
Welcome, guys, to Cliffhanger. Cliffhanger is a low clearance ride, so make sure not to stick those arms out or up. You guys can hold on to the lap bar, to the iron bar in front of you guys instead. Don't pull any loose items, including phones, while the ride is going. Have fun, guys. Have fun.
Yeah, I saw all the drops. Getting rained on.
Out to your left, where Cammy will have the thoroughfare for you guys. Hands up, everybody. Make sure not to run on your way out.